Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. Today I will start a new topic about Java 8 and it is the latest one for this version. Yeah, we have arrived to the final steps. And before this, I recommend you to follow me in Instagram, please, in Teams Winners or in Faisal.chico. And also subscribe to the channel, please. So, what is this new feature in Java 1.8? It is date and time API. Before this, we have seen a lot of things. Fundamental expression, streams, method reference, etc., etc. And all these concepts, as you can see, use lambda expression. So, in this topic, we will talk about this new feature, date and time API. Before Java 1.8, until Java version 1.7, to handle date and time, we use the class. We have date, also calendar, also timestamp. But if you are a Java developer, we will not use them because it is not recommended to use this class. It is for performance, etc. It is not recommended. And all of the methods, not all, but big percentage are deprecated. So in Java 1.8, to handle date and time, they have been introduced new libraries that exist. Like this, we use it, but it is external. Before Java 1.8, it is Joda Time API. So this library was developed by javadoc. Okay, and now you can run it directly in version Java 8. So, for example, if you want to use or if you want to retrieve the local date and the local time, how to do this? You see, it's very simple. So, to get the local date, to achieve or to retrieve the local date or the actual date, just use the class LocalDate. Date equal the class LocalDate dot now method. This class in the LocalDate. Other this you put system.println of the date, and you will get LocalDate or actual date. The same thing, if you want to retrieve or to get the local time or the current time, to get this value, you will use the class LocalTime. Time equal the class LocalTime dot now. As this we make system.out.println time. As you can see, it's very simple. And I will execute this simple code in a computer to see the result. I've used this to class. But it's very important. This to class is not in the Joda Time. It's in Java 8, so it is in new package. What is the name of this package? It is javadoc. Okay, so if you want to use this to class, make an import of java.time.star. So let's jump to the computer to see the result, and I will continue for the next topic about this date and time. Let's go. So let's execute our program. So to use our class, I have said, we will import local date, local time from java.time. Okay, Now I can use my two classes. So the first one, local date equal local date dot now. Okay, now system.println date, and here let's run our program. As you can see, here is our current date, 10 August. Let's make the same thing with local time. So local time equal local time dot now, and system out.println time. We will see our current time, what we got. So here is my local time, 8 minutes 33 seconds at midnight. So let's continue, inshallah. So we have seen simple example how to retrieve the local date and the local time with javadoc, and next topic inshallah we see more method one by one, not all of course, because there are a lot of method in Joda Time, in Joda Time API in Java 8, but I will just give you some example of some method that exist in this version. So if you like this video, like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. I tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.